Welcome to Elite Service Masters. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a world you thought you knew, handyman services. Ever wonder what really goes on when you hire a pro to fix things around your house? Or why your DIY attempts don't quite match up? Well, buckle up, because we're about to reveal the hidden secrets that handymen keep under wraps. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone who prefers to leave it to the experts, the insights we're sharing today will forever change the way you look at home repairs and maintenance. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started on this eye-opening journey. First up, let's talk about the heart of any handyman's operation, the tools of the trade. You see, a handyman's toolkit isn't just a random assortment of gadgets. It's a carefully curated collection of high-quality, specialized tools that are essential for delivering top-notch results. Take a closer look. These aren't your average home improvement store finds. For example, consider the humble wrench. Your typical household wrench might be good enough for assembling furniture, but when it comes to serious repairs, a pro-grade wrench makes all the difference. It's not just about the tool itself, but how it's used. A skilled handyman knows the exact torque to apply, the best angles for leverage, and the perfect grip to ensure a job well done. And let's not forget about those high-tech gadgets. Laser levels, moisture meters, thermal imaging cameras. These are just a few of the tools that handymen use to diagnose problems before they even become visible. With these in hand, they can detect issues like hidden leaks or uneven floors that might otherwise go unnoticed, saving you from costly repairs down the road. So next time you're wondering why a professional seems to breeze through a job that took you hours to complete, remember, it's not just the tools they use, but the knowledge and experience that goes into using them. Now that we've covered the tools, let's dive into the techniques that set the pros apart. It's not just what they use, but how they use it that makes all the difference. Take tiling, for instance. It seems straightforward, right? Measure, cut, place, grout. But the reality is far more complex. Perfectly aligning tiles, achieving even spacing, and avoiding that dreaded grout spillover. These are skills that take years to master. A pro tiler knows exactly how to calculate tile placement to minimize waste and ensure a seamless finish. They also know the tricks to keep grout lines clean and even, something that DIYers often struggle with. And then there's drywall repair. Anyone can slap some spackle on a hole, but can they make it disappear? That's the real challenge. A seasoned handyman knows how to blend that patch so seamlessly into the surrounding wall that you'd never know there was a hole there in the first place. It's all in the layering, the sanding, and, of course, the patience. These techniques aren't just about making things look good. They're about ensuring durability and longevity. A well-done repair not only looks better, but also lasts longer, saving you time and money in the long run. We've all been there, staring at a repair estimate that's higher than expected and wondering where the money is really going. But here's something you might not know. Hiring a professional handyman can actually save you money in the long run. Surprised? Let me explain. A good handyman doesn't just fix things. They fix them right the first time. Sure, a quick patch job might seem cheaper up front, but when it fails after a few months, you'll be paying even more to have it redone. That's why it's worth investing in quality work from the get-go. You're not just paying for the repair, you're paying for peace of mind. But what if you're a DIY enthusiast on a budget? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a tip. When you do hire a handyman, don't be afraid to ask for advice on simpler tasks you can handle yourself. Many pros are happy to share their knowledge, giving you the confidence to tackle minor repairs without calling in help. Of course, it's important to know your limits. Some jobs are best left to the professionals, especially those that require specialized tools or knowledge. But by combining DIY with strategic use of professional services, you can keep your home in top shape without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about something every DIY enthusiast dreads: pitfalls. Even the most experienced homeowners can make mistakes that turn a simple project into a nightmare. The key to avoiding these pitfalls? Knowing when to call in the pros and understanding the limits of your own skills. One of the biggest mistakes? Underestimating the complexity of a job. What starts as a quick fix can quickly spiral out of control if you don't know what you're doing. Take electrical work, for example. It might seem simple to replace a light fixture, but one wrong move could not only damage your home, it could be dangerous. Another common pitfall is ignoring underlying issues. Sure, you might patch up that crack in the wall, but if you don't address the root cause, like a moisture problem, you're just setting yourself up for more trouble down the road. That's where a professional's eye for detail really pays off. By understanding these common pitfalls, you can avoid costly mistakes and ensure that your home improvement projects are successful. And remember, when in doubt, it's always better to consult a professional. It might cost more up front, but it could save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. Handyman services are more than just quick fixes. They're about preserving the integrity of your home, saving you money, and preventing those small issues from becoming big problems. Whether you decide to roll up your sleeves or call in the pros, knowing these secrets will help you make smarter choices and keep your home in top shape. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the secrets of handyman services. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our insider tips. And remember, the next time you're faced with a home repair, you've got the knowledge to make the best decision. Stay savvy, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.